Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to code guys Infinix phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show guys Infinix mobile guys developer options setting. How to use developer option setting, how to turn on developer option in Infinix mobile. Friends, you don't have a developer option setting on your device. Friends, you can check here first developer option setting I don't have on my Infinix mobile. Friends, you can see developer option setting is not here. So when how to use developer setting, how to turn on developer on Infinix mobile, one by one, step by step, friends, we will talk about. So first of all, friends, open your phone setting. After on phone setting, friends, you can see this type interface, and friends, how to turn on developer options setting. First of all, click here my phone setting and friends scroll it. On your my phone setting, friends, you will find here build a number setting. So friends, tap here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 tap. After 7 tap guys, now we are developer, you are a developer. Come back and friends, now open your phone setting, and friends, you can find your developer option setting. Direct and search here DEVE developer option setting. Friends, now you can use your developer option setting on your Infinix mobile. Stay awake setting guys, OM a number. Friends, you want to unlock, so you can unlock and you can lock from here, you can enable from here. Friends, you can see running service setting, picture color mode. Friends, you want to on your device, you can on picture color mode. Friends, you can see automatic system update setting, you can on and you can use. Friends, you can see apply update when device is restart. So friends, there are many setting, USB setting and Bluetooth setting. Friends, there are many setting in developer option you want to use, so you can use. And friends, you can use your developer setting on your system setting. Click your system setting, and friends, you can see developer setting will show here. And friends, if you have developer option, friends, you can see developer setting will remove from phone. Back here, developer setting remove, and friends, you cannot use developer option setting on your device. Again friends, build number tab, and you can use developer setting on your Infinix mobile. So bye friends, thanks for watching.